Okay, this is a hard one, and I'm not sure if my way is the easiest. Let's take a look. We are going to find out which of the following expression has a factor of x plus 2b, where b is a positive integer. And this is a simple SAT question from the official practice test by College Board. And as we can see, we are given these choices, and they all have 3x squared and also the 14b. It's just the middle terms are different. So what do we do? Where do we begin, right? Well, the key right here is that we're trying to get a factor of x plus 2b. So I'll just go through each option and then try to factor it. Let me show you A, for example. 3x squared plus 7x plus 14b. I factor it with the tic-tac-toe method, like so. And because we're trying to have x plus 2b, so that means I better have x here and 2b here. Because if you go across, that will be the first factor. Now, here we have 3x squared, and we have x already. What times x will give us 3x squared? We need 3x. Right here, we have 2b already. What times 2b will give us 14b? 7. Then I take this times that, which is 7x. And then I take this times that, which is 6, and then b, and then also x. Now, how do I know if this is correct? Well, I will have to use the middle term. I will have to make sure these two add up. Just the coefficients though, so I'm just writing down the 7 plus the 6b. They have to add up to 7, this number here. And of course, if you look at this, you can totally solve it. Subtract 7 to both sides, cancel. You get 6b equals, I don't know who put b and then the 6. This is 6, this is b. Anyway, 6b is equal to 0. And you divide 6 to both sides. And you get b is equal to 0. This right here will work under the condition that b is equal to 0. But, you see here, b is a positive integer. So this won't work. That means choice A is not correct. And I just have to go through the other options. I'm not sure if there's a faster way to do it though. I also tried it to pick b, let's say a positive integer, let's say 1 or 2, and then assign to the expressions here and try to factor each and every one. It's time consuming, I'll tell you that. And in fact, that method is not good at all. I'm going to show you that D is the answer. So, D, 3x squared plus 49x plus 14b. Do the same thing like what we did earlier. I need x and 2b, and then I need 3x to get 3x squared, and then I need 7. In fact, it's the same expression that what we did earlier. This times this is 7x. This times that is 2b times 3, which is 6b. Again, that's a 6 again, and then the x. So add the coefficients. Make it equal 49. And then we have to make sure b is a positive integer. Okay, subtract 7 to both sides. We get 6b equals 42. And then if we divide both sides by 6, then you can see that b is equal to 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. So this works when b is equal to 7. And I'll tell you, D is the correct answer to this right here. And if you go through the other options, if you do the same thing, you put 28 here, b is not a positive integer. If you put 42 right here, again, b is not a positive integer. So you will just have to cross them out. Yeah, so D is the answer.